Emergency astronaut Bob Thirsk was speaking with the team in Germany. The team wished Thirsk a happy birthday. He is celebrating his 56th birthday while living on board the International Space Station today. Much of the work on board the International Space Station today is focused on preparing for upcoming visiting vehicles, with the Space Shuttle Discovery targeted for its next mission to begin Monday with the launch from the Kennedy Space Center. Mission managers are reviewing Discovery's readiness for its flight, and the officials are conducting the flight readiness review Tuesday